my name is Abby Simon. I'm a junior studying industrial engineering. I'm a Scholar Ambassador this year, and I'm going to show you G86, the Advanced Machine and Prototyping Lab. So follow me. So we've arrived at G86, the Advanced Machine and Prototyping Lab. So the purpose of this lab is to provide some more advanced equipment to complete your research projects or school-related projects. There are two types of machines, like two categories of machines. So there are manual machines, which consist of a milling machine and a lathe. Also, there are more computerized machines, which are advanced, more of what you would see on a factory floor in the industry. So the manual machines, students are eventually going to be able to sign up and learn how to use the machines and complete the research or school project pieces. And the actual bigger machines, those will have to be used by a technician, but that option to sign up and get trained on the machines is going to be available soon.